aalis kami ng asawa ko, pero before that, aalis na kami, di ba? Kaso lang, mag-stop over kami muna sa store kasi magpapabili ako ng chicken wings. Kasi may baon na ako dito, guys. May noodles na ako. Yan. May noodles na ako, may rice. Yan, pero gusto ko lang magkain ng wings, di ba? Masama ba yung mag-request ng wings, guys? Baka buntis na ako, guys. Hindi alam ng asawa ko anong sinasabi ko, guys. Makabuntis ako, di ba? Kasi nagliliha ko ng guys, nagliliha ko ng chicken wings. Di ba? So may lahi na ako, guys. May lahi na akong puti. Hindi ako nagjo-joke. So magpapabili ako ng chicken wings. Ayan. Honey, say hi na, honey.
Hi.
We forgot the starting to say hi to everyone, to my YouTube friends. Ayan. Hi YouTube friends. Mega loud shout out. Ayan. Especially to the Team Amazing. Ayan, Team Amazing. Mega loud shout out. Ayan. Hindi ko na lang kayo isa-isahin, uy. Ang dami natin, di ba? Saya-saya lang tayo, guys. Happy lang tayo. Love you all. Nandito na yung request ko na chicken joy. Ang buntis na talaga ako, guys, kasi ako ng chicken joy. Gusto kong kumain. Kain na ako, guys, ha. Hindi ko na lang ipapakita sa inyo, guys. Oh, ito. Kita ba? Ano ba yan? Ano na lang, ito. Wala nang laman yung ko. Kinakain ko na yung subak sa Bisaya, guys. Kain mo na ako. Yan. So, cruise ship. Laki masyado, yan, guys. Yan, cruise ship. Ayan. Oh, Norwegian. Encore. Ayan. So, ayan, dito na kami. Pero hindi ko alam anong pangalan kasi alam nyo na tanji din tayo, no? Sunod-sunuran lang tayo ng tao dito. Yung pogi na to. Ayan.
Don't pinch.
Don't pinch. Okay.
Caress.
No caress.
Don't pinch.
No. So, dito na kami. Hintay kami na makapark kasi ayan, So, hintay kami nung saan kung aalis na yan sila. Yan, may tao dyan. So, yan, hintay lang kami na makapark. Tapos, punta na kami kung saan kami pupunta ng asawa ko, guys. Ayan. Guys, ang daming salmon dito, Ang dami, So, nandito kami sa, underwater.
Well, that one has a lure stuck in its mouth.
One has a bite in their mouth.
That's crazy.
Look at the back.
Look at see how the current there's so many insects.
The big one. That's the big one.
I think it was like a scientific experiment.
Oh.
Take a picture. That's fishy.
You got it. I don't know if I got it.
Big, guys. Super big. Maliit. Yan, maliit. Ito, malaki. Yan, super laki. Yan, maliit yan. Ito, malaki, guys. Yan, malaki. Super laki. Yan. Mga malalaki.
There's some big ones over here.
Grabe, sobrang laki na. Wow, super laki. Wala, super laki yun. Yan, super laki guys. Yan, super laki. Oh, that's the big one. Yeah, that's the big one. Yeah. Look at that, honey. Oh, they have something.
That's a fishing lure.
Oh, that's a fishing?
Oh no! Someone tried to catch him and he said no.
He almost got that. I saw the one out here. There's more than one. I think there's probably a few coming out. What to do?
So, dito tayo sa taas ngayon, guys. Kanina nandoon tayo sa baba. So, yan. Ito yung nakikita natin sa baba. Ito na tubig.
Salmon have the ability to swim in fresh water and salt water.
Oh.
And so what they're doing right here is they're adjusting, because what they're doing is they're going back to the streams, the little streams where they were hatched.
Yeah.
And then they're going to spawn. They're going to lay eggs.
So, wala tayong makita na isda ngayon. Salmon diri kay nandoon sila sa ilalim. Yan, nasa ilalim sila, guys. So, yan oh, nakikita ko oh. Silaw lang kasi, guys, hindi maano sa camera. Ayan. Na kami, tapos na tayo doon sa locking fish or ladder, fish ladder. Parang ganyan, guys. So, tapos na tayo doon. Hindi naman tayo tatagal. So, maganda siya tingnan. Yeah. So, okay, guys. Thank you for watching our video. Hi, honey. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, guys. I love you all and God bless.